Okay, this is day 3 of me cleaning with this viral steam cleaner. I honestly love this thing so much. I'm really shocked at how well this actually works. This is my garage door. All I have to say is my husband works in construction and I have 2 boys. You can judge me all you want. I really don't care. I guarantee you have spots in your house that look like this, especially if you have kids, dogs, or a husband. You've just been avoiding them like I have. But I am not avoiding them any longer. The steam cleaner honestly works so well. It comes with 11 different attachments, and I have been getting my house completely disinfected with this thing way faster than I would with any other cleaning method. It honestly cuts the time down by a lot, and that's saying something, especially as a mom when you don't have a ton of time to really do those deep cleans. I have loved this thing. It's also 47% off right now, which who doesn't love a sale? So run, don't walk, go grab this and start cleaning your house because we all know it probably needs it. So hit the orange shop button in the bottom left corner, go get yours today and let me know what you clean with this thing.